Hi, it's me with laser tips and tricks, and this video is about fire safety with your laser. I just went out, I'm always kind of concerned about this because I've made some boxes in the past to elevate product and then have them fall in the box and the bottom of the box burns. These were circles that I vector cut out of plywood, but I raised the laser bed 2 inches, which would be your depth of your vector bed or about your laser bed vector at the very bottom. So the real reason for the video is, one, never leave your laser unattended, and two, keep your laser bed clean, not only of the suet off the bed itself, but the underneath parts. You know, if you have a fusion, epilogue fusion, it's a little bit harder. You have to take it out and shake them apart and clean them out. If you have a helix, the vector bed just pulls out and you can vacuum them up. But this is a hairline 2 inches off focus, and it's charred and it smells terrible. So if you have pieces that are down there that have fallen out, this is what's happening to them when that laser beam hits them. I mean, that's just a hairline, and look how thick. I mean, it almost burned it to the center of the dot. So be careful. Don't leave your laser unattended. And it's doubly true for vectoring, but even rastering, if you go too deep and double up or do something wrong, or something's in the wood and you leave it, and well, for instance, I just ran a job that I ran it twice. So I if you don't know how to do that, you go to print, I need to change my laser to a laser. You go to preferences, and then you put in your preferences, you hit OK, and right here, you can tell the laser to run it twice. You know, run the same job twice. I do that a lot when I want to go deep, but I'm sitting there at a desk near the laser, so I don't have to get up when the beep goes off. And one with the fan running, sometimes I can't even hear the beep. But if you walked away and you were doing 1,200 dots per inch on a job, and it's going to char it bad, and then it did it again, the wood could be getting so hot it could start on fire. So do not ever leave your laser unattended. I hope that helped a little bit of insight, and thank you for watching.